What up, world? It's your boy Lee back with another. Now I'm scrolling through TikTok and came across this AI feature called chatgpt. It's basically an artificial intelligence chat box that creates dialogue back and forth with the users. And this thing is off the chain. So I had to ask it a couple questions. And one of the questions I asked was, how can we rebuild the black community and also make it prosper? And this is what it replied back to me with. So after I hit send, it did take a couple seconds for it to return a reply, but I'll let you guys see it. Investing in education and job training programs to help individuals, providing support for small businesses owned by black people, such as grants, loans, and financial assistance, supporting community organizations, encouraging businesses, working to address systematic racism and discrimination, which continue to hold back many people in the black community. Wow. An AI bot recognizes that, this last part is really interesting to me. The AI bot says, working to address systematic racism and discrimination, which continue to hold back many people in the black community. This could include reforming the criminal justice system and implementing policies to promote equal access to education, healthcare, and other important resources. Overall, it would take a sustained and coordinated effort to rebuild and support the black community, but with the right strategies and resources, it is possible to make progress and create a brighter future. That's what it says at the moment. Wow. That's coming from an AI, a robot, a computer. Wow.